Good day, sir, ma'am. I am Rosario Hiroy, 47 years old, single with no kids. Currently live in the Philippines. Both of my parents have passed away. I have 7 siblings, 2 brothers and 5 sisters, and I am the seventh child. I am a computer secretarial graduate, and I describe myself as reliable, hardworking, responsible, and love to take care of the kids. I have work experience working in an electronic company in Taipei, Taiwan. And I also work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. And I finished my 2 years contract. My duties and responsibilities were doing household chores, taking care of the baby, bring the baby to park and school, going market and groceries, and also cooking. As a Filipino, we are known for being such a good helper. Easy to learn and follow the instruction. Knows how to cook, teaching also, and love to take care of the kids, and will do all the things needed. We are also known for being easy to get along with others. So, it is okay for me if I have a coworker. And it does not matter also for me if I am going to take care of the kids, elderly, or adults. Then, as a Filipino, we are the best helper. We can do and handle things with love as in need. The important thing is I have work and I promise I do my best and work hard. Thank you very much, sir.